everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a fun little Tonic Studios project share. I'm going to go ahead and show you the die set that I got. I had purchased it from Craft Stash on pre-order, and this has quickly risen to be one of my favorite Tonic Studios die sets. I think they really hit it out of the park this time, so I'm trying to put the pieces back together here neatly. Very easy to put together, and this is called the Luggage Tag Die Set. So it comes, let me show you the front bay here. So it makes this luggage tag box, and there are many different combinations that you can create, both with a hole or attaching the tag to there. And this is what it comes with. All of the different, of course, there's the basic box, and there's actually two different ways. I didn't do the second way, but there's a way that you can kind of lift off rather than lifting a whole lid up. I'll have to try that sometime. But and of course they do the verso type things and all little accessories, everything you would need to create some fun boxes. This one even has a pocket on the front with tags in it, as well as lifting it off. The fun belly band, and possibilities are endless, as we always say. But alright, I was doing a lot of work here. Are endless, as we always say. But alright, I was doing a lot of work here. So anyway, here are the metal dies. The one that I used was the basic, the scalloped lid with the bottom. If you just cut these two pieces out of plain cardstock or printed paper, you could go ahead and make your box. That's all you really need. The rest is just icing on the cake. So you have tags to layer. I've used this one a lot. I'll show you one of mine that I made like a little booklet out of this one. Lots of layers, little flowers, little pieces to cut into, and so forth. So let me go ahead and show you what I made. The first one I made was this Alice in Wonderland themed one with the Echo Park paper, and I did with the scalloped edge, and then I did the tag at the top here, and I filled it with lots of goodies. And actually this one is sold, my second, at the time making this video anyway, this one sold right away, and my second one I popped on is still on there at the time of making this video. So I have a belly band here made out of this fun blue paper, and I glued a bow, so you can just slide the belly band off, and then you have the luggage tag. I attached this piece to it. This comes as a separate die, and then you glue that right on. It lines up with the scallops there, so it kind of looks like you know, it was meant to be there. And I tied the little open me, since it was Alice in Wonderland, it kind of reminded me of the eat me and drink me, open me. So I put lots of little goodies in there. I put a bow in there, this Maggie Holmes deer, just some different little usable pieces that someone can use in their crafting, or a gift, happy mail to someone. Lots of little things there, little die cuts out of good quality paper, little fun things. This embellishment I made, like potted plant. I think this is from Elizabeth Craft Design, if I'm remembering correctly. Can't remember. A little moth, a little envelope, and let's see what else here. Some Alice tags, the Echo Park design, and some little bits of ephemera in all the Alice papers. And then I did this little girl, like for Alice, little dress. Of course she needs a teapot for tea time. A little teacup and a purse. So some fun, ooh, my carpal tunnel. So some fun little usable pieces there, and you can fit quite a few in there. I really could have put even more, but of course you can put treats in there. You can put lots of gifts, a gift card, money for someone to have. You can fit quite a bit in there. And that just pops on. You don't have to use the belly band, of course, but that pops on there like that. Right on there. It's nice they include, oh, I put it upside down. It's nice they include that because, you know, that way you don't have to fiddle with trying to figure that measurement out. But that is the first one. My second one, I took kind of a junk journal feel to it, sort of an artistic feel to it. And I didn't add the tag this time. I made it out of craft card. And I did the layer in one of my own design papers and some of my lots of Distress Oxide sprays here. And these are some Studio Light flowers and a Studio Light stamp that says specimen. And then I cut out some flags out of just some of my scraps. So I put that whole bit, floral bit, on that belly band, so you can see that there. That way I can put that on and off. And then once, you know, you use the stuff out of here, you can reuse the box if you keep it for yourself. So I just made this one kind of straightforward. I did the tag that comes with the die set. That's what that looks like. It does also have an extra piece that does an inlay of hearts. And then I made a journal book out of this size tag here, the one that I've got layered here. So I just put the edge over the paper slightly and went ahead and made a little booklet. This is my design paper here. That is, this one's available in the shop. I don't think this one's out yet. And then I just layered on top, this is the Elizabeth Craft Designs Sidekick, the little sort of cloche that goes on top, and then I stamped a stamp from Craft Consortium and colored it in with my Inktense pencils, and then did the layering piece on top. And that coordinates with the flag paper there. And then I just had this little extra bit in my stash, little raggle-taggle there, and then like a Tim Holtz ticket die out of some Craft Consortium paper there. And then I just used some like copy paper so it can be like a little booklet and they can write in there, and I used staples, just boom boom, to make a little booklet. So I thought that was really cute. You know, somebody who likes to pop, they can pop that in their purse and jot down some things. And here's a little tag or bookmark. So I really like this die set. I think it's, other than the Exquisite Envelope die set, which I think is my favorite, this one is number 2. And that's saying something because there are a lot of Tonic purses and things, and I love those. But this kind of has it all. It's really easy to put together. It's a great size. It's straightforward and still has all the ability to, all the different variations just are really kind of endless. So I don't know. It's definitely a favorite. So if you can get a hold of that, go check that out. Thanks so much for joining me today. Thanks. Hit that like and subscribe. That really helps out my channel a lot. Appreciate you taking the time out today, and have a blessed day.